Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing hex nails. I thought the logo is super cute and I love the colors. They're actually my favorite colors, so I just had to do these nails. What you will need is a base coat, top coat, white nail polish, pink, orange, and yellow, and also if you have a white nail polish with a skinny brush, that makes it so much easier. If not, you can use a toothpick, and you will also need a makeup sponge. The first thing you want to do is apply some base coat. Once that's dry, you want to take your white nail polish and do a coat of that. Next, you want to take your makeup sponge and make it look like this one here. So take your pink nail polish and do a thick line of that at the top of the sponge. Then you want to take your orange and do the same thing. And finally, you want to do a yellow line. So your sponge will look like this with a lot of nail polish on it. You just want to dab the sponge gently on your nail over and over again until the whole nail is covered. And this is when it's going to get really messy unless you have the liquid latex, which I don't have, so I'm just going to clean up that afterwards. Once that dries, you want to do another coat of that. You're going to have to actually do this a few times to get that very bright color. I like mine very dark, so I did it like 3 or 4 times for this video. Next, you want to take your white nail polish with the skinny brush, or you can use a toothpick if you don't have that. And you just want to make small little lines like I'm doing here to make the hexagon shape. I'm really messy at this, as you can tell. It's super hard to make straight lines on your nails with a skinny ass brush. So yeah, plus I suck at drawing, so this was really hard for me to do. I did it on another nail here for you guys to see. You get the point of it, but if anyone's artistic and can actually draw straight lines, then this will turn out a lot better than what I have here. So once that's done, your hands are going to be super messy. Now you want to take your top coat and do a thick coat of that. Now to clean up the edges, I got a little bit of nail polish remover and some Q-tips. So you just want to dip it in there and gently go around the skin to remove all the extra nail polish. It's really hard to do. It looks easy, but it's super hard, especially when you suck ass at drawing like me. But that's the best I could do, and I think the color is super cute. So yeah, if you guys like my nails, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto nail designs. And if you guys have any designs that you want me to do, just let me know down in the comments below, and I will try to do the design that you guys request. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.